As Uganda grappled with leads on how to stem the growing unemployment gap, skilling the country stood out as a major practical solution. With this renewed awareness that technical and vocational education can play a critical role in national development, the government passed the Business Technical Vocational Education and Training Act in 2008. It is an assessment day here at Ntinda Vocational Institute. Welding students here have to showcase the skills they have picked up over time. The Uganda Business and Technical Examination Board team and assessors are here to inspect and award marks through observation. Speed, accuracy, and procedure are some of the key considerations. In the next building are motor vehicle mechanical students. Today, the students are being tested on their wiring competence. Later in the afternoon, another group is working out suspension problems of some vehicles. It is such a skills display that UBTEB is interested in to ensure that upon completion of the course, such students have what it takes in the job market.
When UNEB was still handling what UBTEB is handling, they used to assess the way they assess O and A level. Where schools are allowed to conduct their practicals, they come once and assess. Now, we felt that was not good enough. So UBTEB, when it was created, it focused on competence-based assessment. And by that, they ensure that before you finish a certificate or diploma program, in any program, you go through a real-life project.
Ntinda Vocational Institute is implementing UBTEB's curriculum to the letter. Periodical assessment in electrical installation is building confidence among the students. Tailoring is also being examined here. UBTEB's team of assessors carefully observes and awards marks based on creativity and quality of the final product. At Nakawa Vocational Institute, aspiring mechanical engineers are being examined by UBTEB. The task at hand is to produce simple tools. At the same center, aspiring civil engineers are at it. UBTEB arranges such periodic exams to ensure that students go beyond theories and master the practical bits. It is these bits that fetch the marks and eventual UBTEB award. Nyamitanga Technical Institute is also under UBTEB. Unlike in the past years, the institute is currently seeing a rising number of female students. On site is a group of young women aspiring to be engineers. Today, they are working on shaping some tools. Across the compound, a bricklaying practical exam is going on.
We laid 50,000 bricks, which are going to help us to construct our project, which is already on the floor level.
Louise Kembabazi is one of the candidates. She's currently doing a certificate course in building and construction. She hopes to use the skills from here to get into early employment that she hopes will finance her dream of becoming a civil engineer.
Well, the reason why I chose this is just because I wanted to get a job earlier than going for an A-level. Because A-level, you have to go on street and everything. But once you come for this and you're done with your second years here, 2 of them only, you go on site, at least they'll give you a job, not that you'll be moving around. And also you get money, at least you even raise money for your tuition.
UBTEB encourages hands-on display of skills through real-life projects.
With this real-life project, we have gained a lot because when you look at all our buildings, it is these students of ours that have put up most of these buildings. Even this project that you are starting at 6-story building, they are the ones who started on it. They are the ones who laid this foundation. We are having a rough foundation, and it is these students that we are targeting because where we have reached, they are the ones who put there what is there.
I want to use this opportunity to congratulate the students who have chosen to do technical vocation education programs, for their future is guaranteed with success, especially when you look at it in terms of employment, We are sure that after doing a vocational or technical course, the jobs will be there for you.
Here at Kichwamba, one of the strategies is to impart life skills through real-life projects. After mastering theoretical aspects of engineering, the students usually participate in numerous construction projects in and out of the campus. The students also carried out the expansion of the nearby primary school.
We were able to complete from setting out to the substructure, which was a great achievement to me, because I've been able to construct how to lay bricks and how courses follow each other in different settings. Like if they want a different bonding, I know to specify that this is Flemish, this is stretcher, this is a header bond, and I can be able to construct following that.
Charles attributes the success of his carpentry business to practical knowledge obtained under UBTEB while he was a student at Kichwamba Technical Institute.
Experience ikinatungire kuruka Kichwamba kujanu na nkakora ibintu byange batwegesaga mashini nko kudubura kuranda aliyo mashini ezokwasa ati obukuja hanuna nosanga abantu nchukuyambaho okubotagira isomero ati nosanga nokozesa omusumeni nko kwasa musumeni no banokozesa amani maingi.